Hi, we're Jess and Brayden, and we're two everyday Aussies trying to travel the world as much as we can in 2023. We both love travel and have decided to make some videos for our friends and family back home. Remember to leave a like, subscribe, and follow our Instagram account at Jessica and Brayden.
To start off this trip, we left Queenstown at about 7:30 in the morning. We were picked up by a little luxury minibus. The road trip takes about 4 hours in total. As you can see, you got to go the long way round. Milford Sound is part of the Fiordland National Park and is actually the wettest inhabited place in New Zealand. So by the looks of it, we got a cracker day. Once we finally arrived in Milford Sound, we jumped on a boat and headed out on the water for a couple-hour cruise.
Welcome to Milford Sound.
After a long drive back to Queenstown, we thought we'd better try the world famous Fergburger.
Feed them, they'll all come.
If you like the video, please leave us a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Tune in next week. We're off to Arrowtown, Wanaka and Lake Tekapo.